Good morning!
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever.
Are you helping?
Forever.
Good morning, guys. I just wanted to do a quick intro to today's video. So today I think I'm gonna take you along for the day and kind of tackle my to-do list with you. I thought that would be a fun thing to do and maybe kind of motivate you to do your own to-do list with me. And I recently purchased this thingy. It's a list, or like a book of lists from Mrs Hinch, which I love on Instagram. I'm sure a lot of you do. It's so motivational and it really helps you get more done, or at least in my case it helps. So I'm gonna show you my list that I'm going to make for this week. But before we get started with all the cleaning and kind of organizing around the home, I just wanted to show you something that I'm wearing today because I'm so excited about it. And I'm sure some of you noticed, these are some new necklaces that I got. I received them from Ana Luisa. I'm gonna try to give you a close-up so you can see a bit better. So these come in a set of 2, but they also have like a single necklace as well. I chose these 2 and I chose a few more which I'm going to share with you in a second, but these are such good quality from what I can tell, and I really like the fine necklace. I think it looks really lovely. Their promise is that these do not tarnish, so that's really good. And I chose this one with 2 layers. I really love a layered necklace. I think it goes really nice with a lot of outfits. I don't know, I just think it looks so cute, and I wear layered necklaces a lot, so that's why I chose this one. So it's got kind of a tiny coin, and then this one has that kind of horn thingy. So this was one of the pieces that I chose, and then they come in this tiny box, and I really like this because it says here smaller packaging, less waste, more love. I just hate when things come in a huge packaging with so much unnecessary like wrapping, which you're just gonna, you know, throw away and create more waste. And the jewelry comes in these little pouches, so it's nice and protected, and that's the name of the brand, Ana Luisa. I really appreciate when a brand is trying to be more sustainable. And then this is another necklace that I picked, which I actually wore yesterday, but I put it back just so that I can show you a bit better. I love this one, it's so cute. It's a little sun, I think it's a little sun. Kind of looks like that to me. Let me try and turn it around. Here we go. It's such a cute piece, and this one comes, I think, about the length of this, so a little bit higher up. And then this one is a simple coin one, which looks so lovely. I really like coins like this, like a charm. I think it just kind of pops with a lot of outfits. And this one comes with 2 faces actually, so you have this one, this look, and then it also comes with this one, which is like a black with a little gem on it. So lovely. I'm so excited to wear all of these. So yeah, these are the 3 pieces that I picked. They also have bracelets and earrings, and I honestly had the hardest time picking a few things because they had so many that I liked. And they're all really good prices. I just find them really like decently priced for a good piece of jewelry that's not going to tarnish. So I love that. I love kind of having affordable luxury, if that makes sense. You can get 10% off any order if you use my code. It's Madeline10. I will write it right here, and then you can also find it in the description box. So if you guys are interested in jewelry, you can get a nice discount of your order. So yeah, that's what I wanted to share with you this morning. So I'm gonna go ahead and write my to-do list, and I'm gonna share it with you in just a second. Okay, I was about to write my to-do list, like the cleaning list, but Victor has requested some painting, so I'm gonna set that up for him. I just got a piece of paper, and I'm using some blue tack this one. I'm just using some blue tack to stick the sheet of paper to the table, because otherwise it kind of moves around and he has a hard time with it. So just not gonna stick it to the back of the paper and then stick it to the table, and this comes off with no, like, leaving no marks. So I'm just gonna pop him up for some painting, and I'm gonna write my to-do list afterwards. Okay, so I've put just a tiny bit of water in here. Okay, here you are. Enjoy.
Like dinosaurs.
You're painting a dinosaur. Oh wow, that's fun. Okay, so let me get back to my to-do list. Okay, I have finished my list, sort of, because I kind of think I'm gonna add a few more things throughout the week. Maybe if I remember something, I just like to write it down. It's kind of like a brain dump, so you don't constantly think about it, so you don't forget it. And yeah, I just kind of wrote down everything that I want to do this week. So obviously today I'm not gonna do all of the things on this list because that's quite a lot. But by the end of the week, I'm gonna try to have most of these things done, or all of them if possible. So I've kind of laid them out by room. So I've got toilets. This is everything that I want to do in toilets and bathroom. In our bedroom, this is what I have planned. Victor's bedroom, kitchen. I always find the kitchen list is always the longest, just because it's like, I think it's like the main focus of the house, so you can have more things to clean. Then on this side, I have some cleaning to do outside. I need to clean the windows, front door and back door, the bins, and then I also need to kind of dust all the windowsills outside as well, because they've got cobwebs on them. I haven't got a chance to do that ever since we moved in. Then in the lounge, I just have a few things written down, but again, I might add things on the list as we go along. And then here are just a few things that I need to buy this week. And I've left this open. I'm not sure if I'm gonna add to it or not, but yeah, this is what I've got going on so far. So I'm gonna go upstairs. I want to try starting in the toilets, so I'm gonna show you what I'm going to use. I tried kind of organizing a bit the under the sink area. I need to get some sort of a system, like maybe some little shelves that go like this, so that I have 2 layers, because I feel like this space right here is unused. I've put cloths in there, so I've put all of my cleaning cloths in here, and then I've got the Minky, which I'm actually gonna take one of these to use. In the bathroom, I've got laundry products. I'm not sure if you guys are interested in a cleaning haul, but here we are. I've got Zaflora. This is carpet cleaner. This is the shake and vac thingy that freshens up carpets. So I'm gonna take my gloves upstairs because I'm gonna need them. I'm also going to put in fresh discs in the toilets upstairs. I'm going to use Febreze for the bed. And then, let's see, I've got Flash bathroom spray. And then I've also got this Viacol, which I'm going to use for lime scale. I have a few shelves that I need to use this on. And then I've got this toilet bleach. So I'm going to have to take all of these upstairs. I'm going to need a glass cleaner, and this is just a spare of this one. So yeah, I think this is all that I'm gonna take for now. Upstairs with me and get started on the shower baths and things like that. Okay, I need to get a proper caddy for cleaning products. This is just like a top that I have, so I'm gonna take this entire thing upstairs because I don't want to come like make 10 trips for all of these.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest.
Okay, I've got these shelves which I'm going to put in the shower over here, because there are a few up here, but I don't feel like that's enough for all of our products. So I'm gonna put another one here and probably another one here, or maybe I'm not sure if there's enough space for it to go up there. So yeah, but these we've had for a while, so I feel like I haven't descaled them in quite a while, so I'm gonna do that now. This is what I'm gonna use, the Viacol Lime Scale Remover. This thing is amazing. Okay, so I'm just going to spray down all of these.
I don't know one single thing that I haven't done to make you.
These So I'm just gonna leave this for a few minutes to work its magic, and then I'm gonna scrub it down, and these parts especially and everything is going to look so much nicer because it really helps dissolve lime scale. While I'm waiting for the shelves to work their magic, I'm gonna use this in the toilet bowl, just to kind of freshen it up a bit. And make sure you have a window open because these things smell quite strongly. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong? Next up, I'm tackling the shower. So I'm gonna use this bathroom spray with the Minky dupe as well. Okay, so I've put up the shelf up there, and I think it's so much better. I have a bit more space for the products. And yeah, the shower is all nice and shined up, so that's all done. And I'm gonna move on to the sink now. Okay, for the mirror, I'm gonna use this Method glass spray. It smells like peppermint, it smells so nice. And then I have this glass cloth, so that's what I'm gonna go ahead and shine up the mirror with. My heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. Okay, next up, sink. I'm gonna use the Flash bathroom spray again. This time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh. Sink is all nice and shiny. I'm also going to do this part and then this part right here. Our ensuite is nice and shined. Okay, that's everything that I managed to get done today, and I'm going to carry on doing this throughout the week. So I think even in the afternoon I'm gonna kind of tick things off as I go along, because I might do just kind of random jobs here and there. Yes, I finished quite a few tasks from the week list today. I am going to have to stop because I need to get work done. I have a few projects that I'm working on, so I have a deadline for one of those. So I'm gonna go ahead and carry on working now, but maybe throughout the day I'm gonna just kind of do random jobs, like cleaning jobs here and there. So I'm gonna take them off the list, and then by the end of the week I'm hoping to get all of them done. So let me know if you guys liked today's video, because I feel like it was kind of a bit different cleaning video than I would usually do. So yeah, let me know if you like the list. I'm gonna I think I'm gonna try filming another one this Friday, so we're gonna see that very soon. But yeah, let me know what you guys think, and if you'd like these ones, or if you preferred my previous style, kind of more sped up cleaning, or if you would like a combination of both, just let me know. It would really help me out. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to check out Ana Luisa if you are interested in some jewelry for yourself, kind of a treat or maybe a gift for someone. Don't forget to use my code Madeline10 for a bit of a discount off. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I hope you are having a lovely day. Bye guys!